Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix TikTok not letting you log in. So to do that, let's head over to TikTok, and you can see in here the sign up page. Make sure that you're on the login page, because if you're on a sign up page, then that's a totally different thing from logging in. So in order to go to login page, just click on this login on the bottom right here, and you should see something like this with more options to choose from. So make sure that you click this login button so you will be able to log into TikTok. The next thing that you can do is to make sure that you have a speedy Wi-Fi. So to do that, let's head over to our settings and then open your Wi-Fi from there, and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi. And if you're not, make sure that your Wi-Fi icon is open, and if that doesn't work, then you can switch over to cellular data, and make sure that your airplane mode is not on. So right now mine is off, so make sure that that is off. And then after that, what you can do next is to make sure that this is fast. So to do that, just search in here something like fast.com, and this should be able to measure your overall speed. As of now, mine is fairly decent, so that's not a problem for me. So the next thing that you can do is to just make sure that you're putting in the right credentials. So let's head over again to TikTok. Here it is. And let's click on use phone, email, username. And once you're in there, just put in here the right username or the right email or the right password. Make sure you're putting in the right information, because if you mistype or something, then you won't be able to log in. It may cause you to be banned if you try to push it further. Like if you get it wrong for 10 consecutive times, there's a high chance that TikTok might ban you. So the next thing that you can do is to head over to Google again, create a new tab, and then after that, just search is TikTok down. So let's search for it, and you will see here the down detector. Just click on that, and as you can see in here, this is the TikTok outages reported in the last 24 hours. If you see a big spike of around 15 to 20, then that just means that TikTok is down. But for right now, it is fairly little, so that means that as of making this video, the TikTok isn't down, so that's not the problem. So what you can do if those methods doesn't fix your problems is you just gotta wait it out before you try logging it again to TikTok. So waiting can also be a very good option, since there's a lot of things that might take place once you start waiting. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.